Looking for a great way to kick off your child's summer? Look no further than Kirkwood Interactive Camps for Kids. We call them K.I.C.K camps for short. These hands-on summer camps will be in Cedar Rapids, Coralville, and online, and are created for kids ages 8 to 15. And they're not just fun. They can also help your kids explore future careers in science, technology, engineering, and math, even computers, culinary, and the arts. Kirkwood also offers tuition assistance to help cover the cost.
I think I want to do this again. It's like really fun to do it with my friend, and we get to make good food.
It's just a cool experience, and I mean, you can make things that you can take home to your family or just put on your wall.
You get to make your own VR worlds, and then you get to test them out and play them at home.
Over 150 K.I.C.K camps are available this summer. Get all of the information and register for summer 2022 at kirkwood.edu/K.I.C.K.